Thank you for subscribing. Ang dami po nagsasubscribe, oy. Ayan. Thank you. Ayaw pa umalis eh. Marami para mag-subscribe. What you doing? Whoa. Spider girl, yes, it's Bengali, yeah. Are you spider girl? Be careful. Naka-30 na tayo, guys. 30K. Be careful. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Naka-30K. Oh, really? I'll go check that one, Isabel. Thanks for sharing. I know, yeah. Isabel, thanks for sharing your kinetic sand glow in the dark. Yeah, we're gonna take that one. We just bought in Target. We have a Target here. That's where we buy some of Jelana's toys. So... Oh, whoa, spider girl. Whoa. Oh yeah, I like Target. We went to London, but just at the airport. So we never been in London, just at the airport. When we went to Italy, we have a stop by at the London airport. There's too many people there. Okay, no, I'll move it here. Whoa. Oh, Tesco, Salisbury. Okay. Yeah, come on now. It's okay. Yeah. What time in London right now, Isabel? Hi, I love my bestie. I know, she's... Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, did you hurt yourself? No. Okay, good. Don't hurt yourself. Did you get owie? No. Okay. One. Okay, let me see your finger if you hurt yourself. Let me see. The other one. Okay, Jelana. Okay, but the other one, let me see. Is there a bloody in it? Oh, you hurt your finger?
No, that might paper.
Oh, the paper cut?
Yeah, not.
Ay, sige, ingat. Ingat sa biyahe. Merry Christmas sa inyo, guys. Sa Team Angels, Team Amazing, Merry Christmas sa inyo. God bless. No, she can't. That's only 2 pounds. Move that. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay. Oo. Ang pampahaba ng buhay daw is walang stress. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, happy lang. Huwag ma-stress, guys. Diba, Aisa? 1, 2, 3, go! Huwag ma-stress. Pampahaba ng buhay.